Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You have what you need: Apple ID, two-factor authentication, and a linked bank. First, open the Stocks app and tap the search field, type Apple or Apple. Once done, choose Buy and select full or fractional shares, fractional down to 0. 0001 lets you start small. Make sure to connect your bank and authorize a transfer. Choose one-time or recurring buys. You should also set a spending limit so you never exceed your planned allocation, and confirm using Face ID or passcode. Now you decide how to place the trade. Select market order for immediate execution at the next available price, or pick limit order if you want to wait for a target price. That reduces slippage. Enter quantity as shares or a dollar amount and confirm order preview. Check estimated total and settlement timeframe. Once confirmed, consider enabling recurring buys to dollar cost average. Make sure to monitor trade fills and your portfolio allocation so Apple stock fits your broader strategy and risk tolerance. Finish by verifying the trade and transaction history. Check the filled price and settlement date and confirm your holdings updated in your portfolio. Once settled, enable price alerts and news to stay informed. If you planned recurring buys, review upcoming schedules. If something goes wrong, start by verifying your bank link, available balance, and two-factor authentication. Errors often come from bank verification or temporary holds. If problems persist, contact Apple support with your transaction ID and screenshot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.